What's up guys, Trey with Speed Shield here. It's Friday and I'm feeling like having fun. So I'm gonna give you not one wheel unboxing, not two wheel unboxings, but three wheel unboxings right now. So what we've got here is obviously a Vossen hybrid forged. These are very, very popular with our clients. They have a really good price range to quality matrix. So that means the price range is really great, it's low, and the quality is really high for the price you pay. And that's always important. You know, that's a lot of times what people are looking for. So this is the HF-2 wheel, and it has a really cool finish. Check that out. So what you've got here is a gloss black finish with a machined face on each of these spokes. Really interesting looking. When these are rolling, they really have kind of a bright look to them, and they have just a very interesting look as they're rolling, and while they're sitting still, they just look stellar. So these didn't come like this. You might be familiar with the factory finish that Vossen provides on some of these. This is it right here. And so it's very similar to what we've got over there, but the ones we've got that we're unboxing, they're going on a Bentley Continental GT. And Vossen did not have a stock set that fit a Bentley Continental GT. And this finish right here is not available on a non-stock set. So what we had to do is we had to create that black, gloss black with the machine finish. So what we did is we ordered these things in gloss black, and then we sent them over to our machinist, and he turned them on the lathe, and that's how we achieved the machine finish. Let's see if I can get a good close-up of this. There we go. So it looks really cool. It's gonna match his car really well. He's got a gloss black Bentley Continental GT with lots of chrome all over it. And these are 22 by 11. These are the rear wheels. So you can see they've got a really healthy concave. So those are gonna look just mean on that Continental GT. So 22 by 11, that's the Vossen wheel right there. So over here, we've got the BBS, and this is one of their tried and true, really popular wheel. We love this wheel. It's kind of a classic looking design. This is a CHR. Really cool. This is going on an Audi A5. Satin black finish, and it's got the polished lip, or it's a machined lip. It's protected with a little sticker right here. So is the center cap, has a little protective sticker on it. Those are always fun to pull off. We leave that to the client to kind of unwrap those. It's satisfying. But these suckers are really deep too. It's a quattro, so on all-wheel drive, and these suckers are gonna hook up big time. This is a 19 by 10 wheel. So this is gonna look really cool. And our other set is back here. Ooh, we already threw these up on Marketplace. So go check those out. Those are some rotoforms ready to rock for a Model 3 Tesla or any other vehicle that has a 5x114.3 bolt pattern. All right, so our third set are these Vossen VFS-1s, and this is going on another Audi. This is going on an A3, an A8, and this is the VFS-1. And these suckers are massive too. These are a 22 by 11 also, and really healthy tire too. And we love this tire. This is the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, a hybrid compound. We are loving this tire. It looks great too. Obviously, A lot of our vehicles around here have the Pilot Sport Cup 2s. So this wheel this tire really resembles the Cup 2 sidewall. So it's got a nice and racy looking sidewall. Cool looking little checkerboard with the kind of a suede feel to it. Super easy to clean too. So VFS-1s, and those are finished in the satin gunmetal. So those will be going on an A8 soon, and these are square as well. It's a square setup. I mean, look at, I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, it's no 325 or nothing. It's no Viper wheel, but still, that's gonna be really healthy on a Quattro A8. It's gonna look really good. So there you have it. There's your three for Friday. I don't know, you make something up. I don't know what rhymes, but we know what our clients like, and that's some kick-ass wheels. And we definitely know how to set you up with what you need, with what's gonna look great on your vehicle, whether it is some entry-level wheels, some hybrid forged wheels that have a really good price range, or the high-quality forged stuff. So come see us for all of the wheels that you are looking for at Speed Shield. You guys have fun out there. Have a great weekend. Stay protected. Be safe. Have fun. Later.